4 days steady raining. Stops every little bit, then comes back again, and rain, 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 rain. We got here Sunday and today is Wednesday, and all it's been doing is raining. That's all we see is lots of rain. But that's okay. The weatherman promises us some good weather for the weekend, so that's all right. We leave on Sunday. This is Camp Gulf in Destin, Florida. Oh, by the way, this is the office here that you check into. We left Ontario on the 7th. It's a Tuesday. And it took us 5 days, and here we are. The main pool area, but it's nice. People are still enjoying the water regardless of the rain. Decided to go for a little walk, catch a few video clips. So we left on the 7th, which is a Tuesday. We stayed at Findlay State Park in Ohio, and we really liked that park. It was cold, but I didn't really get out and see much. We were just there for a stopover, and from there we went to Lebanon, Cincinnati, KOA for another night. Hope I can keep this camera steady. And then from this KOA, Cincinnati, Lebanon area, we went to Corbin, Kentucky. Spent another night there. We met up with some friends there. Pretty good. You leaving? Okay. So where was I here? I stopped to talk to a friend there. Corbin, Kentucky, the home of Colonel Sanders. We were there one year, but we didn't really. I went to see the museum there, the KFC museum, and that was okay. It was nice. The KFC chicken wasn't any better than any other place. So we decided to stop there as well on our way back down here to Destin. So we're here till Sunday. And then we make our way eventually to the Keys, Fiesta Key. So you could look for us at Fiesta Key. But I'm going to make the best of this day. A lot of people have left because of the rain. We had a couple across from us, and because he brought his motorcycle and never got a chance to take the bike off the truck. I feel bad for him. I didn't bring mine this year. From Corbin, we went to Wills Creek, which is in Fort Payne, Alabama. And I tell you, that's a nice little town. We went downtown for a little drive and learned for the first time. Who is that? Ah. Some people are doing, some of our friends are doing laundry over here. Let's go say hi to them. Whoa! This is the laundry facility? Is this the laundry facility? Yeah, this is the laundry. Is this the only one?
Yeah.
Oh, there you are.
Oh, yeah.
Hello.
This is more fun than sitting in the darn trailer.
I told
I know.
Gina she's missing out. She gets bored. There's a lot of entertainment here.
Continuing our walk down this is the exit. The entrance is over there. The way you came in or come into this park. And straight up ahead, I should say straight down ahead, is the ocean. The ocean. Now, where was I? We were in Fort Payne, Alabama, and I was saying that I've learned for the first time that the band Alabama is from Fort Payne. Here they are.
I'll probably do it from here unless you want to
Yeah, I'll go over there. Remember these guys? It's no Winslow, Arizona, but it's Fort Payne, Alabama. On a little drive through downtown. Well, here we are in downtown Fort Payne, Alabama.
Established 1889. And they have more burger places than I've ever seen.
Burgers and brews. Burgers and brews. Old train station, maybe?
Yeah, it looks like it. Oh, fire station. Oh, I like their veterans flags. Hometown heroes that fought. I think that's very classy. Spot. Pizza and pasta. Cute little town.
This is the secondary office. Oh, I forgot to mention this. This is the pool area, the second pool, the one in the front. There's got a slides here for the kids. And it gets busy when it's nice and hot. Now, last year we were here, I met a fellow and he plays the banjo, and I brought my guitar and we were doing some entertaining up here. I think he comes back every year, but he's not here this time. A lot of these sites are empty. And they're doing some work over here by the pond. I see they put that little deck in there. Quite a few turtles in there. Now, it used to be flooded here. There's a little bit of water down here. We stayed down here last year on this side. Oops. Gotta watch where I walk here. I brought my rain boots. I think something you should consider bringing if you go someplace and you get a flood out and you need to get some work done. At least you have rain boots. This is the first time I'm bringing them. Let me take a walk over. This is all. Look at the water down here. It is November. Shower facilities right here, and right there where that truck is, that's our unit. It gets pretty sandy here when it's hot and dry. Some new developments going on over here. Housing. And I don't want to go up there, but there are other units up there. More spaces. Look at that water. Oh my goodness. It's rough. The wind was just howling last night. Yeah, been like this for a couple of days straight. As a matter of fact, the last couple of days that it rained here, it was really sunny. Not warm, but nice. Back home, back up north. See if we can get out here for a bit here. Those are sites. I don't want to go there, but here's the access right here. Oh, I bought these shoes yesterday, so I can get these ones. All dirty, I don't care. Isn't that crazy? Look at this. That's rough. Wow. Now we did get a bit of sunshine Sunday when we arrived and set up, and we were able to come down here, and there were a lot of people here, but it didn't last very long. It got cool that evening. Tired holding this umbrella. I apologize for the shakiness of this camera. Doggy. Doggy, the wind. Towards the wind now. See if I can keep this up a little high here. Oops. watch where I step. There we go. So looking back, gives you guys just a little tour of Camp Golf. A wet Camp Golf. All right, from Fort Payne, Alabama, we came right to Montgomery South RV Park. Really nice little park. I did a video on that. You can find the link on my page here to that video. And the Montana up here are our friends from Ohio. And these guys all left today. There were people here yesterday and today. Some of them left. One person actually went back to Pennsylvania. So this is our rig over here, and I'm going to end the video here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe as I start making more of these videos.